Okay, same over here. This is what I have to the browser are present, right? For this architecture purpose, it's not only depend on your Chrome browser. We can directly use to the desktop application also. We can directly use to the another devices also. Lot of devices also we can use. Okay, but that purpose we need to add a lot of additional stuff. Okay, means many times people want to be add something tablets. Many people something want to be add something another device. Like suppose I want to be add my watch also, right? So we can do that. But that purpose coding is really difficult. There is a lot of logic we need to use. Okay, that is also mattering. But a lot of people are using, most of people are using for the browser purpose. 90% people are using only the browser purpose, and I think so 10% people are using for the desktop purpose. Why? Because Java, using by Java, you can make to the desktop applications also. Okay, not only the whatever, not only the web application. Okay, but the thing is what I J2EE architecture specifically we are using for the web application development purpose. Okay. Now this is front end is done. Which one we said what? JSP. Okay. Front end done. Let's mark. Okay. Now let's come to the over here. Server side presentation. Okay. Obviously over here they wrote it as a JSP because without JSP it will be not work. So JSP first will be a fetch from over here. JSP will be connect with your servlets, right? Java servlets, okay? And then your servlets are using, means it's not mandatory, yeah, guys. This step is not mandatory. This is, let's click that. And servlets is nothing but what you are better, right? Who can able to access your database, right? But its database, many times, we are not directly accessing to the database. Many times, if suppose you have any business logic, right? If suppose my business is working only that way, are you getting? So maybe that's why we are using to the EJB. EJB means what? Let me show you over here. Okay, EJB is nothing but your where is that? Okay, see, EJB, Enterprises Java Beans, use business logic and back end process, right? So maybe whenever you are taking the data, you are writing something your own business logic. Okay, means is it suppose many times if you are making something application, is it that particular person having money? Then only I'm allowing him to take data, right? Are you getting? So that kind of business logic you can write. Okay. So that exactly I want to mean. Okay. Suppose we wrote something business logic, we wrote something, and then it will be going to be a fetch data from database. So obviously it's going like this, means it's going like this, and like this. And when we fetch data, when we happen, everything is done. It will be going coming again like this, and like this. We can means your front person or your what that the customer can able to eat right now food. Are you understand this architecture? Very easy, very simple. Okay, that is not that much of tough. Okay, now over here, first understand architecture. Architecture is important. Okay, now after letter. Okay,